Hey everyone, welcome to Tech with Praveen Rai. I'm Praveen Rai, and today we're kicking off a brand new series called Present Like a Pro, AI-powered decks and storytelling. This is part 1 of 4 sessions. And trust me, by the end of this entire series, you'll be building boardroom-ready presentations in a fraction of the time using AI. A quick intro about me. I have 15 plus years of experience in business operations and enterprise service delivery across US-based MNCs like Autodesk, Epicor, Aptean, and more. I've delivered over 100 presentations to C-suite executives and stakeholders. So I know exactly what works, what doesn't, and where most people go wrong. Whether you're from a technical background or not, this series is for you. So drop a hello in the comments and tell me where you're tuning in from. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you why you should spend the next 20 minutes with me. I've spent over 15 years in operations and service delivery at US-based enterprise companies, Autodesk, Epicor, Aptean, and more. I've delivered over 100 presentations to executives, stakeholders, and leadership teams worldwide. I hold an MBA in e-commerce and 6 professional certifications: ITIL4, PMP, Scrum Master, AWS Cloud Practitioner, Salesforce Admin, and SAP/4 HANA. More importantly, I've made every presentation mistake in the book so you don't have to. This is not a theory session. We're going to walk through real prompts, real tools, and real results. Starting right now. Comment below. What is your professional background? Are you in IT, business, HR, finance? I'd love to know who's watching. Here's the game plan for this entire series. 4 sessions covering everything end-to-end. Part 1, that's today. We cover 8 powerful presentation tips that professional consultants use. These are the foundations. Let's talk about the real problem. Why do most presentations fail? Here's the list. Too much text, so slides look like documents nobody wants to read. No clear structure, so the audience loses the thread. Boring bullet points with zero visual impact. Data presented without any story or narrative. Presentation anxiety. Not knowing how to start or what to say. And of course, time pressure. You just don't have enough time to design something great. Sound familiar? I've been there too. But here's the good news. AI solves every single one of these problems. That's exactly what this series is about. According to research, 85% of audiences say poor slides actually hurt the presenter's credibility. Don't let your great ideas be undermined by a weak deck. Let's fix that starting today. Part 2. We jump into AI research tools. How do you use ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity to build content fast and smart? Part 3. Design and assembly. We go hands-on with Gamma, Canva, and Napkin.ai to make your slides look stunning. Part 4. Delivery and bonus tools. We cover Genspark, Yoodli for speech practice, and I'll share a custom GPT that gives you ready-to-use decks instantly. Since this is a big topic, I've split it smartly so each session is power-packed and 15 to 30 minutes long. Type yes in the comments if this lineup excites you. All right, let's get into the heart of today's session. I'm going to walk you through 8 professional presentation tips that top consultants and executives use. These are battle-tested. I've seen them work in boardrooms at global MNCs. Let's go.